Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the environment. Check your Word version and sign-in account because feature availability depends on version and licensing. Once confirmed, open a blank document and look for the Design tab location on the ribbon. This verifies it's actually missing versus collapsed. Next, make sure you have permission to change the ribbon. If you're in a restricted corporate profile, request admin access before proceeding with customization steps. Now you customize the ribbon directly. Go to File, Options, then Customize Ribbon so you can control main tabs. Once there, find Design in the Main Tabs list and check its box to re-enable it. Word uses this list to build the ribbon UI. If Design is absent, create a new tab or group and add the specific design commands you need, which reproduces the functionality. Make sure to press OK to save changes so the ribbon updates immediately. Finish up by restarting Word so your ribbon changes load correctly. If the Design tab still doesn't appear, restart the computer to clear cached UI state. If that fails, repair Office through Control Panel or Settings to restore missing UI components. Once done, make sure to test in safe mode and temporarily disable add-ins to rule out conflicts. This isolates whether an extension is hiding tabs. If nothing works, try creating a new user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.